6 ways to reduce your UK capital gain tax. Number 1. Maximize your allowance. In the UK, everyone has an annual capital gain tax allowance. For the tax year 23-24, it is 6,000. Use up this allowance by carefully planning your sales or disposals of assets. Number 2. Make use of tax-free wrappers. Investment held in ISA and pensions are protected from capital gain tax. Investing in these accounts can help you grow your asset tax-free from capital gain tax. Number 3. Use EIS account. By investing in high-risk small business through the EIS, you can receive capital gain tax deferral and potential exemption if held for a specific period, plus income tax relief on the amount invested. Number 4. Transfer asset to husband, wife or civil partner. Transfer between spouse or civil partners are tax-free. By transferring assets, you can utilize both partners' allowance and potentially lower tax rates. Number 5. Claim for losses. If you have made a loss on any investments, you can declare it to HMRC and offset it against your capital gains, thereby reducing the amount of tax outstanding. Number 6. Remember private residence relief. If you are selling your primary home, it is typically exempt from capital gain tax under private residency relief, provided the property has been for your main home throughout the period of ownership. These strategies help reduce your tax liabilities. We have uploaded more than 1,000 videos subject related to UK startup, business and tax.